Today I am going to talk about solution of transportation problem. Given a transportation problem by its transportation matrix as defined by here, this is a transportation matrix we have already discussed. The milk producing firms S1, S2, S3 and distribution centers D1, D2, D3, and these are the cost value of transportation cost from sources to origin to destinations. Supply conditions are given here, demands by the distribution centers are given here. Now, what does it mean by solution? Solution means to find out Xij, that is the amount to be transported from ith origin to its jth destination. Okay. So, we want to find out x11, x12 and so on. Now, solution of transportation problem has two parts. Number one, to find basic feasible solution and then optimal solution. Sometimes basic feasible solution can be optimal solution, but most of the cases we can find an optimal solution after finding a basic feasible solution. Now, what are the basic feasible solution methods? The methods are northwest corner method, row minima method, column minima method, least cost or minimum cost method and Vogel approximation method. Now, let us start with northwest corner method to find basic feasible solution. Start with the northwest corner cell of the transportation matrix. That means this is the first cell, then it will come out, we have to continue the process. Start with the northwest corner cell and allocate as much amount possible according to the supply and demand till it is exhausted. Cross off the row and or column, exhausted row or column, and continue with next northwest corner cell and then continue till all the demands are met with the availability of the supply. Now, the example already we have given, the same example we are going to do by northwest corner method. Here we have to write the supply are 6, 1 and 10 and demands are 7, 5, 3, 2. Okay. Now, as soon as we see start with the northwest corner cell, this is the northwest corner cell. So, first we allocate as much possible. How much we can allocate here? Supply is S1 has got a source as maximum 6 it can supply and its demand is 7. So, we are going to allocate 6 here with a bracket. Okay. As soon as this availability is exhausted, that means S1 is exhausted, there is no more available at the S1 source S1. So, we will put it as 0 here. Okay. And cross off this row, so that we are not going to come to the next, we are not going to look into this row anymore. Now, coming to next remaining is these two rows. So, what is the northwest corner cell? This is the northwest corner cell, and again as between the requirement 7, 6 has been already taken by D1. So, remaining requirement is 1. So, now look at this corner, its requirement is 1, supply is 1. So, we can allocate 1 here. Okay. Now, this row is also exhausted, this column is also exhausted. Now, remaining is this row with these 3 cells. So, this is the northwest. So, as soon as we have allocated 1, so this will be 0 and here it will be also 0. Now, here requirement is 5, demand is 5, availability is 10. So, we can allocate as much as 5 here. So, as soon as I have put 5 here, 5 will remain 0 because requirement is already met. So, this column is exhausted. Okay. So, remaining these 2 cells, as soon as we allocate 5 here, 10 will become, the availability will become 5, and now we have to allocate, this is the northwest corner. So, we allocate 3 here, this will be 0 and here it will be 2, and last cell, and this column has been exhausted. So, we are going to cross off this, and last cell demand is 2, supply is 2. So, we can allocate here. So, we have, so all demands and all supplies are met. How do we know that this 0, 0, 0, that means supply, no more supply, availability are there, resources, and no more demands are there. So, this is our complete problem. So, what is the solution of the basic feasible solution for this problem? X11, this is X11, 1, 1, 6, X21 equal to 1, X32 equal to 5, X33 equal to 3 and so on, and all other x's are 0. And what is the cost? Cost is nothing but cost of transporting one unit from S1 to D1 is 200, 2 into 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 8 into 5, 15 into 3 plus 9 into 2 and multiplied by 100. Total cost is 11,600. So, this is how we do find the basic feasible solution by northwest corner method. Thank you.